Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Tiger, and today we are going to make DIY moving egg. And here what we'll require: a container in egg shape like this, that can be opened from a side, just like this. We will need some modeling clay. The clay can be soft, should be soft. If it's little bit hard, it doesn't matter much, but not like a stone. Okay, so now we will need PVA glue. Yes, I'm using Fevicol because it is easily available in India. And now googly eyes and a small cutout for a small cutout for a smile, like this. So now here is written on the left side that what we will need. So you can note down this or you can take a screenshot. Now let's begin. So we will need that egg container now, and make sure that inside nothing is there, because now we are going to put modeling clay there. So let's take out the modeling clay. Here it's come, and now just place it inside the container nicely. I know it will take some time, and let me tell you a trick, that when you are doing this, put a little bit of oil in your hand that the clay doesn't stick on your hand. Okay, like this. Do it nicely, equal from all the sides. Make sure that then only our moving egg will be balanced. So like this we are doing, and now I think it's balanced from all the sides. Now let's close the container, and now just give it a face look with our googly eyes. So let's just stick it down there. Yeah, we will stick it like this using the PVA glue. So now I will stick using the power of editing. So let's do it. So here's our ready, but he's not able to speak. Do you know why? Yes, you're correct. That's the smile and his mouth needed for that. So we have cut it. We had a cut out for the smile. So we will stick it down there again by using the power of editing. You will use PVA glue for that. Now let me stick it. Place it nicely. Now let's stick it. Yes. Now our DIY moving egg is almost ready. But now please give it some time for the googly eyes to stick it nicely. You can see the clay is still inside. And when you will not like this, can you see how it's moving? I'm not touching it, and just a push through the back and it will move like this. Isn't it amazing? But give it some more time to his eyes, because it can fall off any time. So I give 5 to 7 minutes for this. I think 5 minutes are okay. So now let's, oh, we have one more brother, his elder brother. You can make more like this to have fun. A family of moving eggs. DIY moving eggs. You can see it's so nice. They both are looking nice, and they both are now ready to play. Just push it, and like this it's moving quite well. After some time, when the clay will get hardened inside that, it will move more better. So if you like this video, please do like, and if there is in your family somebody who likes to do craft, please recommend my channel and share this video, and press the bell icon too, like this. And don't forget to comment down below that did you like it or not. And please, if you are new in my channel, I am requesting you to please subscribe my channel. Please, I am requesting you. And these eggs are looking happy together. So now now we will meet in a next video. Thanks for watching.